Today we'll talk about some grammar, and in grammar we will be doing today possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Now you know what is an adjective? You must have done in class 2. An adjective is a word which tells you something about noun. For example, Sheila has long hair. So what is adjective in this? Long. So long is telling you something about hair. So long is an adjective. And what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which comes in place of a noun. Sheila has long hair. She is beautiful. So she is a pronoun. So this is a difference between adjective and pronoun. Now what are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives means those words which tells you something about a noun and tells you the possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our and their. Now for example, if I write my name is Rachna. So name is a noun, Rachna is a noun, and is a verb. And what is my? My is a possessive adjective. Why? Because it is, my is telling something about name. Whose name? My name. So that means when something describes the noun in a possessive way, that becomes possessive adjective. Possessive way means उस किसके बारे में, किसी के बारे में अगर बताया जाए, that is called possessive adjective. Their house is big. Now tell me, house is a noun, big is an adjective, is a verb, then their, what is there? Unka. There means unka. So there is a possessive adjective. Again, किसी का घर. किसका घर? उनका. So there is a possessive adjective. Similarly, our car is new. So whose car? Our car. किसकी कार? हमारी कार. So our is a possessive adjective. So this way, I think it will be clear to your mind that what is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is a word which qualifies, which tells you something about a noun in a possessive manner. My, mera, your, tumhara, his, her, its, our, their, they are all possessive adjectives. Then it comes possessive pronoun. Now this is different. What is a pronoun? Which replaces a noun. So possessive pronoun is, example, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, and they are all without apostrophe. Apostrophe means आपको उसके ऊपर comma नहीं लगाना. Suppose I'll give you an example. This marker is mine. Now tell me, what is a possessive pronoun here? Marker is a noun, is a verb, this is ये, mine. What do you mean by mine? ये marker मेरा है. So mine is a possessive pronoun. Mine के बाद कोई noun नहीं आ रहा. There is no noun after mine. So this is a possessive pronoun. That computer is yours. Now can you tell me what is the possessive pronoun in this? Yours. ये computer तुम्हारा है. So what is possessive pronoun? Yours. Theirs is a new smart TV. Theirs is a, ये उनका नया smart TV है. Theirs, उनका. Theirs is a new smart TV. So theirs is a possessive pronoun. Now, suppose I'll give you one more example about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Their house is big and our house is small. So what will you do in this to make it a possessive pronoun? Their house is big is right, and ours is small. Ours. Ours is small. You will not write house. You will just write ours. Her dress is white and my dress is pink. Now, her dress is white is right, uski dress, and my dress is pink. Now tell me what will come instead of my dress. Tell me, it will be her dress is white and mine is pink. So at one place you are doing possessive adjectives and at the other place you are doing possessive pronoun. His computer works and her computer doesn't. Now tell me, how will you write? His computer works and hers doesn't. So that means you don't have to write computer again. So you make it a possessive pronoun. So I told you, when you write a possessive pronoun, you have to delete the noun and then you have to write the possessive pronoun. So this is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. On this page, you don't have a book at the moment, but I'll tell you the page of your Abdul Majid grammar sheet. I will be giving you this page. There are certain possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns written separately. Now, just see, this is my school bag and this school bag is mine. Now tell me, this is my school bag. So, my is a possessive adjective and uske baad there is a noun, school bag. So this is a possessive adjective and this school bag is mine. This school bag is mine. So red, mine is possessive pronoun. After mine there is no adjective. There is no noun, sorry. So this school bag is mine. So this is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronouns are those words after which there is no noun. Similarly, that is our house. ये हमारा घर है, ये possessive adjective, and that house is ours. Ours क्या है? Possessive pronoun, क्योंकि उसके बाद there is no noun. हमारा. Where is your book? Which book is yours? So yours is a possessive pronoun. These are her pencils. ये उसकी pencils हैं. These pencils are hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun. So read these sentences and write whether the words in orange are possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. We played in the garden near my house. Possessive adjective. Sachin is looking for a blue bag. It is his. Possessive pronoun. They take good care of the dog as it is theirs. Possessive pronouns. So please do this 6 fill-ups, or maybe how many fill-ups? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fill-ups in your classwork copy. Do it in a very neat way and finish the work. Thank you.